Lithonia Lighting LBR is the latest commercial downlight designed for any retrofit, remodel, or new construction projects. Today, we will focus on the benefits of using LBR as a retrofit and remodel downlight. This solution offers a simple and affordable way to retrofit your lighting to cut energy costs and maintain visually comfortable lighting. For minimal labor, this retrofit downlight easily installs from below, utilizing mousetrap springs to save time and money. LBR comes in 4 aperture sizes in round and 2 square options. We have a variety of accessories including goof rings to fit additional ceiling cutouts and smash plates in case you need to add more fixtures to your renovation project. The reflector has a deeply regressed source, which yields great cutoff to provide occupants a glare-free experience. The LBR also offers a diverse set of driver features with switchable CCTs and switchable lumens. Before installation, you can set your CCTs to one of 4 options and choose between 5 lumen packages, ranging from 500 lumens to 5,000 lumens. The driver also offers 10% and 1% dimming, multi-volt 120 through 277 volt, 0 to 10 volt, and phase dimming in an all-in-one driver or a separate dolly driver. For this installation, we will demonstrate the ease of retrofitting an LBR6. Prior to installation, take all safety precautions. Be sure to wear gloves and safety glasses and to turn power off. Remove the existing lamp first and the reflector, leaving the existing mounting frame in place. Remove the existing flexible conduit from the junction box. Then remove the driver box door on the LBR and insert the conduit into the housing. Make the appropriate wiring connections and reinstall the driver box door. Set the driver to the desired choice for color, temperature, and lumens. Position the mounting springs into a vertical position. Then place the fixture into the ceiling cutout. Carefully release one mounting spring and then the second spring, doing so in a controlled fashion. Allow the fixture to then lift into place. We also know that oftentimes the ceiling cutout is less than ideal, so we offer multiple goof rings to clean up the look. Lastly, restore power to your LBR to finish a perfect solution for any retrofit project. You're now able to give your occupants the lighting they deserve. Make the switch to LBR.